Yo, yo, hello, hello. Okay, shit, it works. Dude, I kicked my computer plug and it unplugged the whole computer. That shit was depressing. Sad times, eh? Sad times. Alright, what the hell's wrong with this code, bro? So it'll be a 1. Wait, how is this supposed to be 2 fleets? I'm not sure how this is supposed to be 2 fleets. So he gets there faster. What the fuck? 8 and 6. 2 and 3. Target equals 10. Yo. So 10 minus 8 is 2. 2 divided by 2 is 1. So it takes 1 unit of time to get to the destination from here. So that's 1 car fleet. 10 minus 6 equals 4. 4 divided by 3, 6.8. Literally means it gets there faster, so it catches the other one. Is there like some round down shit? Like, what's up with this? Yeah, I don't understand how this destination. Yo, 1 fleet. What the fuck? So why are you telling me it's 2? I have no clue. They're telling me the answer is 2. Is there something I'm missing? This literally looks dead. This literally looks just like my code. Yo, this is like, yo, I don't understand. let me bust out the calculator. So if you have 4, you divide by 3, 1.3. Hold up, hold up. Min time is a double. Time to destination is also a double. So how the this is so confusing. Why does this question always cook me? I don't know. 1 and 1. Okay, that's the fucking issue. It's not. That's not how that works. 1 and 1. Why are we getting 1 and 1? Boy, I couldn't freaking tell you. I couldn't freaking tell you. It's just getting casted down to like yo, I think I need to make this a double double, bro. Yeah, you have to put doubles as the speed and position so it goes down. Okay, okay. This should work. If this doesn't work, okay, cool, 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 cool. Our software, we solved it. This is cool. I could do a static cast. You ever heard of this software? Static cast. I guess you could just do that. Yeah, I think I just learned about it. Oh shit, it didn't work. Yeah, I don't know. Static cast double did not do it, just broke it. Isn't that how it ChatGPT? No clue what's up with this. Yeah, I don't know. And the number are not guaranteed to be whole numbers when divided. If it's dividing an integer rounds up. So if it's 2.1, it goes up to 3. Yeah, I wanted to have the decimal point. I don't know, like, watch this. If I delete static cast and just use double double, it works. But if I do static cast double, it doesn't work. It's kind of weird. Do I want to take the time to figure out why? Kinda. Dude, I remember when I first started C++, I was so ass. I couldn't even write, like, any code. Now I can write slightly more code. I don't know, just so basically rule of thumb, make that shit a double because you have to divide it. It's so weird though. Unless I like maybe cast this to double. I bet this works. Well, at that point, just make it a double. Alright, I'm tired now. Um why the hell does that give us an error though? I'm so curious. Like, how is it possible to get a 2? How is this even possible? Kinda strange, dude. Kinda strange. 2.33. How? But it should be 2. My neck, yo, this is actually kind of insane. Software, it's just annoying. Min time should be 2.33, and the fucking time destination should be 2.33. Yep. Wait, whoa. Fuck 22 point. Wait. Oh, since it's not a double, this one doesn't get This one doesn't get turned into a. Oh. So you have to make them both static cast double. All right, software, we fixed it. Let's go. Valuable lesson about static casting. Oh my god. Not sure how I feel about that, but it's cool. We got something done. Let's try to figure out how to get Raylib. How to install Raylib. Raylib. Who got an Raylib tutorial? 3 minutes? I kind of like that. 1 year ago? I
Hi
really
everyone,
like that.
let me show you how to set up any version of Raylib with Visual Studio in few steps. First of all, open GitHub Raylib. Then let's go down to the release and choose Raylib. Now let's scroll down to the bottom and we have all these options. What we really need is the Raylib 5.5 Win32 or Win64 MSVC, depending on your version of Windows.
Depending on my version of Windows, I don't know. Nah, I did not set this up, dude. It's not. I deleted that because I didn't follow the tutorial. I was like, I'm gonna do it all in one. It's not like I actually got it working.
It's this one.
Raylib 5.5. Wait, I'm not using. I thought I was using MinGW though. Which one do I download? I don't know. Win64 MSVC. Do I download MSVC or MinGW? I don't know. I'm pretty sure I used Minji. I don't know. Which one do I want though? Because look, it says I'm using like MinGW right here. The SVC one. Do I even have that compiler? All right, I'm gonna just follow your plan. I'm gonna follow your lead though. I'm not gonna. New folder.
the Win64. So let's download it. I already downloaded, so let's go to what I did. Here it is, and then extract. I already did. When you open it, we'll find these files. We will need
Extract. Mother of Lord. Extract. So we should have it. Download C++. Raylib. Okay.
them later, especially the include and like. Now let's open Visual Studio and let's
Wait, do I actually have to use Visual Studio, or should I be using Visual Studio, or is Visual Studio Code good enough? I don't know. I don't know.
it. So let's go to what I did. Here it is, and then extract. I already did. When you open it, we'll find these files. We will need them later, especially the include and like. Now let's open Visual Studio and let's create a new project. Go to C++.
Okay, so how do I start this shit? So I guess like new file. Make sure Raylib has the lib folder inside. Which folder? What am I supposed to check? The lib thing? Yeah, .lib is .lib. All right, so he's using VS. He's using Visual Studio, so I'm guessing like mine's gonna be slightly different. Make a new folder and invite me into it. Okay. Should I make a brand new folder, like one that's not the Raylib folder, or is this supposed to be inside the Raylib folder, or just straight up brand new with nothing in it? Brand new folder. Okay, so not inside of the other Raylib. It doesn't matter. Okay, just making sure. Someone just name it Raylib or something. Raylib test. All right, we're in the Raylib folder. Raylib.test. Okay, I invite you in 1 second. What is this guy talking about though?
And choose an empty project. Let's name it Raylib project create. Oh, I already did so. Let's actually change it a little bit. Create. Now let's go to source file and create our main CPP file. So
Yeah, I want to see if I can figure this out before like I invite you, because I know you're really good. You're gonna just do it in like 1 second.
new, and let's choose main. Let's write main. Okay, added. Now let's go to Raylib project and go to its properties. Inside here, let's first go to C/C++ general. Okay, now let's go to our include. open it, then copy the path.
Yo, what? Okay, I might have to invite you because this is all for like Visual Studio, not VS Code.
Then let's go back and paste it right here. And then let's go to linker. Inside linker, general of course, let's go to the library.
In this video, I'm going to show we need the compiler. When we run the downloaded file, we get a
VS
warning
Code do
from
the same thing,
Windows.
but using
We have to
.bat.
click
Oh,
more info and click on. The last step is to visit my GitHub. Let's download the Raylib library button here. You can also Raylib. Be careful from Windows. Installation begins. Raylib folder, where all the required files are located. This folder also includes a compiler and a debugger, so we don't need to install them separately. Another step is complete. The last step is to visit my GitHub repository. This extension will allow us to use C++ with Visual Studio Code. Visual Studio Code is a code editor. Now let's download the Raylib library. All we have to do is to donate. If you with them, you are
this
going
guy's
to find
downloading
a
Raylib
Raylib
from.
folder where all the required
Yo, what the
files
fuck?
are located. This folder also includes a compiler and a debugger, so we don't need to
He
install them
downloaded
separately.
Raylib from.
Another step is
from
complete. The last step is to visit my
some other
GitHub
website.
repository and download a template C++ project that uses the Raylib project we do. And we have to click Yes, I trust the authors button if prompted, and we are good to go. Inside the workspace, you can see all the files for Visual
Look where he
Studio
downloaded his Raylib
extension,
from, bro. What
but
is
you
this?
can also download the library without donating. Now we have to choose the Raylib 4.2 Windows installer with the MinGW compiler. Be careful here, we need the compiler. When we run
Yo, he downloaded his with the MinGW compiler.
the
Oh
downloaded
lord.
file, we get other, where all the required files are located. This folder also includes Ancom.
Oh wait, not. That's like he downloaded the template later though. Like even where he got the product from, like Raylib. Raylib does not look like this. Which are the bit? What? Which are a bit complicated? Oh, yeah. I don't know what the hell. Why are they making this so like complicated? Yo, here's yo. Wait, why do they make this? Oh, yo, your video came up. Is it really that crazy to install VS Code with some Raylib, bro? What the hell is CMake? It's an indie game website? Oh. Why would I? Damn, I might have to invite you. I think I'm cooked. Why is there no good tutorial in this? Honestly, I'm about to follow your tutorial. Oh, you did this in Visual Studio as well? Oh, brother. Oh, you opened the VS Code. All right, boys. We're about to follow your video. This is what I do is make a folder on my computer for libraries where I put the include and lib folders for easy access later. We got all that. So you create a new folder. Basic file structure for our project. So we have a new folder. You create src. I'm deleting this main.cpp then. New folder src. lib and include. All right, we got source lib and include. You go inside include. And you put in array lib folder. Array lib. And then you go back into the src for or source folder. You make something called, you should make a txt called main.cpp. Go to where your save raylib files, download and copy the contents of include into the raylib folder. Okay, let me make that txt folder. You just call it main.txt. I don't know. Why are we doing this? How did you even do that? Shh. I don't know what you clicked. I don't know. You did not make a folder. You made like a. What do you even call this? Like, how do you make a file? New file. I have no clue. It's kind of crazy. I only know I do this shit from the terminal. Where's my terminal at? So cd src and then touch main.txt. There we go. We got a main.txt file. Oh shit, it was really main.cpp. I'm retarded. I don't know what's wrong with me. I'm tweaking. There's the rename button. Alright, so main.cpp. Go to where your raylib files, where you saved your raylib files, and copy the contents of include into the include raylib folder inside your project. So now we gotta go back to raylib. Go to include. And copy all this. To my include / raylib folder. Paste. Boom. Then create a test H custom header example in your folder, in your include folder. So we're in include. Yeah, what is this thing you be clicking? Like, you're like new. You click something down here. Test H. Oh, I guess I could create this and see in code. And test.h inside of my include. Oh, okay, I'll ignore it. Go to where you download the raylib and go into lib, where you will find copy.raylib into your project's lib folder. Okay. Where you downloaded raylib and go into the lib folder. Okay. The lib folder where you will copy raylib.lib. Raylib.lib is right here. So we're going to copy this into your project's lib folder. So we go back to raylib. My project's lib folder. So we're gonna paste that in there. Bang, we did it. Make sure it's raylib.lib, which is the largest file out of the three due to being static library rather than a dynamic one. I don't know the difference. Oh, now we building.bat. Open your project in VS Code and create a build.bat file inside your project directory. Okay, I think we're really close to actually. Yo, software, your video is pretty good. All right, so doesn't matter where I'm at as long as I'm just in here. What's the command? /build.bat. It just automatically makes it. I don't think I should be here. I think I should be in like CD. Yeah, raylib test, and that should go /build. Just straight up .bat. No such. Oh no. I don't know, man. Am I supposed to be in my source file? It says build.bat, no such file or directory. I have to create it myself, or how do you do this? Main.cpp. How does your stuff have like words in it? Include IOStream, and then just like int main. See out I and 0. I think it's like that. I still don't get a build bat file. Let me see if your messages. Oh yeah. Do you have CF plus VS Code extension? Create it first. Okay, so I need to create in the source folder. So is it's a file or a folder? I'm guessing it's a file. So is it /? It's like actually exactly like that. I have to put .build. .bat. The name .bat is not a valid file name. Please choose a different one. What should it be called? I mean, oh, not done. There's no slash. So just build.bat. This is build.bat goes in the root project directory. Oh, okay. Delete. Let me delete that. Wait, I guess I could just move it out. Just put it out here. Okay, so we have all of our stuff. Build.bat is right here. Okay. I'm about to go back to following your tutorial. Give me a second. We will include raylib file. The reason why we do raylib is because our raylib headers are stored inside our folder called raylib, but we have a problem. IntelliSense cannot find our header to read from. To fix this, we have to edit our CSC+ extension configuration. I prefer to edit the JSON over the UI settings. Okay, so wait, we don't actually do anything in build.bat. Wait, you actually ran that problem? Wait, what am I supposed to put inside my build.bat file though? I have no clue. I don't think it's gonna do anything. Oh, I ran it. I don't know if it did anything though. It's empty. Let me go back to my main.cpp file. You go dot include raylib slash raylib.h. Raylib, yeah. Slash raylib.h. Okay. I included it. Add debug configuration. Make sure you have the C++ extension enabled and installed for the next step. Oh, snap. Okay, I lost you. So you went up here and you just typed in. You did this C++. And you said add debug configuration. Yeah, I have no clue. Wait, hold up. Where's it? Oh, .json. Edit configurations.json. Okay. So include path. We got this. Workspace folder. Include. Yo, this is low-key, like, kind of a lot of work. Not a lot of work, but like it's like more involved than I would have thought. What is a workspace folder? Like, how does that? What is this? What am I doing exactly? Regular slash include. And what's IntelliSense? You said IntelliSense not gonna see something. I'm like, I don't know what that is. All right, so regular dot include. Okay. Main, and we went back to main.cpp. If everything is set up correctly, we should be able to access the regular functions. Here, I create a basic window explanation will be the next episode. So what you do, you deleted this. Init. Yo, it works. Init window. 400. 400. Program. Okay. Set target FPS 60. Okay. Set target FPS 60. I can't read your comments right now because I like have your video wide open, but it's almost over. While not window should close, begin drawing. End drawing. Clear background black. Close window. Okay. While window should close. So in some type of function or return something. Begin drawing. Clear background black. And then you do end drawing. And close window. Okay. So something good should happen here. Oh shit. Okay, so yo, you're a goat, bro. I just liked your video. This is let me drop a comment, man. Good vid. Software, you low key go. All right, shit. All right, I can read your messages now. Invite me now. I will make the compile command. I need to make it. You are using G++, right? Yeah, I'm using C++. No edit. Invite me. Okay. So it won't come. It won't run right now because I don't have you invited. Okay. Live share. Wait, can you not like make it? Like don't make it completely. Can you like show me how to make it? Explain like how to do it and stuff. This is actually pretty cool. When I get off of work tomorrow, we should hop on and make some Raylib games. I think I'm gonna hop off tonight because I have to like sleep and shit. I wake up early. But yeah, I do want to make like I do want to just get this like going. That would be nice. Basically, what we need, basically what this will do is called the G++ command. And provide the colliders what it needs. They include path libraries, link. What is link against? Link against? Link. And libraries to link. Okay. First, you should do G++. All right. G++. Dash version. In your terminal to see if G++ is good. Oh, okay. No. I got an error. It says unrecognized. Oh, wait. No. I put a space. Yeah, I have it says it's 14.2.2. 14.2.0. First, you need to provide an include path, which is the folder your header files are. Okay. G++ dash I dot include. What is this? CPP proxy. Oh. Yeah, I don't know. Software. How long is it gonna take, bro? I do gotta hop off soon. Alright, it tells the compiler where our header files are. Okay, but yeah, don't rush though. So it's in include.raylib.lib, right? Isn't that where our stuff is? Oh, or is it include.raylib? Raylib.source? Raylib doesn't have a source folder though. Oh, it tells the compiler to look inside of the source folder and compile everything, every CVV file it finds. Wait, so is this like chaining commands? Because this first thing gets the header files and the second one. Wait, so the so this is, these are like separate commands, right? Because the first one is getting the header files and the second one is telling it to compile everything in the source that has a main dot that has a CVP extension, right? Yo, where do you learn this stuff? Like, this shit looks like random gibberish to me. Wait, can we separate them? I feel like chaining them together makes this more complicated for me. Like, what's each command like actually do? This looks like a. This is crazy. Where do you learn this? Like, is there like somewhere I can look up that's gonna teach me how to like these commands? I feel like this is not in my C++ book. Basically, L tells the compiler that our libraries, where our libraries are, and the reason we have a bunch of random ones here is because Raylib uses a lot of Windows functions that are defined in separate libraries. If we don't link them, we'll get errors. So, like, did you read this somewhere? Like, how did you know to put that all there? And what's that thing we did in the JSON? It's like we added workspace folder slash include. Like what is that? Like, I just learned it. I don't know. Like from like YouTube tutorials. Is this important to learn, or is it like more important to just like learn the Raylib stuff? That does not change the project. It just tells VS Code where it is so you can autocomplete and stuff. Oh, JSON, that does not change the project. It just tells VS Code where it'll do the autocomplete. But what is like workspace? Like works? Maybe I gotta ask ChatGPT about this stuff after. All this looks so brand new. Workspace store is just the current folder. Run this and see if it does anything. Okay, so build dot that slash build dot bat. It ran it. Now try? Okay. Oh shit. It's doing something. What did it just do? Dude, I don't know what that did. That can't be good. Yo, it just hacked me? Like what just happened? Just sent like yeah, I don't know what you just did, dude. I mean, you watched the stream. That was kind of weird. Well, I think the problem was. Wait, does it work now? We weren't supposed to get the MSVC version. So we have to go get the do you have to go get the Ming GW version? That's funny. That's what the fuck? Did we just did all that shit for nothing, bro? Yo, God does not want me to do Raylib. Yo, okay. So that means I have to delete this? Okay, software. Okay. Weird. And just replace the Raylib with the NGW. Okay, okay. You know what? You know what? Normally I would. This is where I hop off, but I'm gonna try again. Try again. All right. Raylib 5.5 Windows 64 MinGW. Let's download that bad boy. And I'm gonna delete the other one because that is gonna distract me and get me hella confused. MSVC? Hell no. Nah. Extract that bad boy. Delete. MSVC, get that out of here. All right, now we get the MinGW. You said I need to do what? And just replace the raylib.lib from the MinGW? Okay. It's .a. Is that okay? raylib.lib.a. Where was that even at? Like I kind of forgot. I have no clue, bro. It literally says Win64. I don't know. Sure, we could just do A. Python, C++. All right, what am I supposed to be like putting this into? I think it's the same, I believe. Okay, is it? It's include Raylib. Oh, so the header. You said the .header files are okay. So it must be in the lib folder. Okay, so we want to replace. We're gonna get rid of this and put our ray.lib.a in here. Go to your project folder in lib. All right, I did that. I got a lib, but it looks different. It says a file. This is my bad. This is library. Wait, what? Wait. I don't even see. Wait, replace it with raylib.a? Where the hell is raylib.a? I see library.lib.a. Delete .lib. Okay. Delete. Yeah. Which one of these files is good though? raylib.dll, and then there's libraylib.a. Like these don't even look the same. Librarylib.a. Okay. Same thing. All right, so it's in there. So I should be able to run it now, right? Oh, it's blinding. Hope so. Nah, shit does not work, bro. I need AI. Come fix this, man. Doesn't work, man. It does not work. We're cooked. We're cooked, bro. If you can figure out how to make that shit work, man, that'd be fire. But I think I'm gonna go brush my teeth and start getting ready for bed. Gamble, essentially. So, let's start fixing stuff. Last time? Okay. Yeah, you gotta get some. You gotta get like Claude to fix this shit, dude. All right, we got a different error, which is, I mean, I don't know. You'll figure this out. How are you gonna fix this, dude? Like, is it fixable? I mean, I'm down to stay if it's like if we could fix it in like a couple minutes, but like what do you think it is? What's fucked up about it? Should I just have followed the tutorial UTI uses Visual Studio? I feel like that one's like, I don't know, tried and true or something. Or maybe I should stop using like MSVC or MingGW maybe. I don't know. I mean, I could leave stream open if you want, and I could like I can go do something and come back in like 10 minutes, and you could tell me if maybe that. Okay, I'll try again. Oh yeah, we got PenGL. Did it work? Oh, do I have to run that PenGL shit, right? Oh, I don't know what that did. My bad. What is Peng L? Pengu, Bangu, Bangu. Did it work? I don't know. I feel like the other. I feel like that file's supposed to open. Don't do GFLS. Just run it. So, wait. Why don't we need? Why don't we need like G++? Oh, dot slash. Oh, because it's already compiled. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Good point. Good point. Rerun build.bat. Oh, because build.bat's gonna run it too for me. Oh shit, yo, software. Render batch vertex. So, wait, I got my GPU's VRAM in here. Yo, how did you do that? Yo, software, bro, you're a genius. What did you do? Right, what? Bro got that elite ball knowledge. It just opened a window, like, dude. If you should make like a blog or something that explains this stuff. I would read it, or I don't know. Nah, bro, we did not do it. You did it. I just sat here and like watched you do it, and I followed your tutorial on YouTube. What language is this? Like, this is G plus. Is this that dot bat language? How do I learn this? I want to be able to do this from scratch and like debug it, but I don't know what none of this means. Is this important to learn to like use like, I don't know, to use like the game thing? It's bash. Oh, so I should learn that? It's this bash. You think I should just watch like a tutorial like bash basics or something? I think it's so basically you're like doing a bunch of like dependency stuff, and then you're putting it to .game.exe, so that means it won't be called peng L32 no more, I think. So if I run G++ again, wait, hold up. So if I run G plus bat, it should run .game now, right? Oh no. You should duplicate this folder and use it as a template. Oh. Yo, what's up, dude? When you put .game, it doesn't work anymore. Like, if I run .bat, it says .game is not recognized as an internal or external command. Oh, okay, nice. Bruh. It's kind of crazy, but I can't, like, but how do I figure out how to run this myself, though? Wait, can we make a physics engine in this shit? Can we make, like, I don't know. I want to do something cool. And I gotta learn Bash now? Is that the new play? What's more important, learning Bash or learning Raylib? I don't know. You can make anything. Oh. I don't know. I guess I want to make that Pong game. Can you put a circle on the screen? Like, how we do that? Wait, yo, we should make Snake, bro. We should make Snake. I want to make Snake. That would go hard. That would go hard. I put something there. Okay. You put something where? That might give you more of an idea. Wait, where'd you put? There's nothing here. What are you talking about? Oh. Oh. An Easter egg. Okay. I like where this is going. It's from the Raylib. Okay, we're about to watch this. You're lying. You can make Minecraft? Yo, yes. Yo, you could do. No way. We can make. I mean, I bet this is kind of hard, but like. You could deadass make anything? Is this Doom? Oh my god, that's actually kind of cool. I think we gotta start off simple though. That might be a little too advanced. Can we make something real quick? Can we make like? Can we make it like put a circle on the screen? Can we do that? Yo, dude, you ever thought about learning OpenGL? I feel like we'd be based if we could learn OpenGL. Like the hoes would love that one. You go to a party, you tell them you know OpenGL, man. All the girls are just gonna want to talk to you. It's kind of like the laws of the land, you know. Exit VS Code and duplicate the folder. I know. Open Pang. Yo, what the fuck? What is this Pang thing? Wait, you said this is gonna be the template? Okay. So exit VS Code. So I'm gonna just call this. Should I rename it? I'm gonna just copy it. Like copy. I'm gonna like paste it. I'm gonna rename it. Ray lib. Oh shit! What just happened? Yo, what? Template. Raylib template. There we go. So whatever you want to make, so whenever you want to make a game, all you have to do is copy the template. Yo, you know who Tokyo Spliff is? Bro, that dude's hella like he just be like grinding out making this whole game in OpenGL. I'm kind of impressed, not gonna lie. But you know, we gotta start somewhere. We're gonna start Raylib because I think that's way easier. So are we? Should I watch a tutorial or are we gonna build something together? I kind of want to make this either Snake. Yeah, I want to make Snake. That would go hard. You know that? You mean you know Tokyo Spliff? OpenGL isn't that hard. Yo, that's from you. You're kind of cracked though. It's different. We're gonna build something. I don't know if I have time, but are you on tomorrow? I could maybe get on it like. Oh yo, check this out, bro. I built this all by myself, no help. Like kind of sick, right? Kind of sick, right? My string class is coming up here. Open test Raylib. Okay. Uh, wait, restart Visual Studio for the latest update. I gotta get the latest update, man. Gotta get the latest update. I think I gotta learn Bash, dude. I gotta learn Bash. That's holding me back from like I want to be able to make those .bat files like nothing, like file .bat. Earliest I can go is 3 Pacific time. Oh, bro, I get off of work at like 3 Eastern time, so like I'll probably be at 4. I'll be on for a while because I always start off with doing some leak code. So whenever you hop on, we can just start Raylib. I'm not gonna really like do that shit by myself. Yeah, I'll just like read my book and do some leak code. C++ test Raylib open folder. Are you here? I think I gotta invite you again. I got a timer. We can only go like 10 more minutes. I kind of went over, but I do want to make something. Let me invite you. Open test Raylib. I'm gonna show you how to draw basic shapes and stuff real quick. All right, bet I'm ready. Let's do this shit, man. Here's the setup area where you put things. Okay. Here's the draw loop. Draw rectangle. Okay, 100 by 100 by 100 by 200. White. Okay, so we have a white rectangle. Do we have all types of shapes? Can we draw a hexagon? Or is that night? Yo, there's a rectangle on my screen. Draw. Can we draw a circle? Draw a capsule. What are parameters for a capsule? I have no clue. I feel like you gotta put something in there. Yo, how do we make a capsule? That sounds like it goes hard. Position. So like, I don't know, 50. Wait, what just happened for a capsule? Yo, bro, software disappeared on me. Yo, where's software go, bro? My boy done disappeared. Rip in peace, bro. I don't know. We drew something though. I'm gonna be on tomorrow though. I don't know where that guy went. I think that thing happened again. Close the collaboration and reopen it. Oh, okay. Good thing you typed in chat. I thought you just like DC'd. And I was like, all right, I'm out. Yo, you ever heard of Pygame? Is this like so Raylib is like the C++ version of Pygame, right? I'm pretty sure. It's Pygame. Pygame. Capsule, we need a 3D camera, which is way too advanced. Oh, no capsule for me. Oh, okay, okay. In fact, there is a Raylib to Pygame converter. Oh, that's cool. Okay, so we know how to draw, like, how long you think it'll take us so we can start building cool shit? Like, not like circles on screens, you know? I know, because I know in OpenGL they make you draw a triangle your first day. But how do we get to their stuff? I want to make, like, I want to make simulation games. That sounds fun. Draw a circle. But I guess we got to start off simple, like a day or two. Yo, you got a lot of faith in me, man. A day or two to draw, make a whole simulation. I feel like you're low key gonna be doing all the work, and I'm just gonna be sitting there like taking notes. But you know, it's how all great things happen. So we have a circle of 200, 260. Like, I don't know what are those numbers represent though. Is there any way to like you hover over this? Okay, center X Center Y, the radius, and the color. Oh, so the radius is 60, the center, the X coordinate. Okay, let me run this. So 200 is the middle of the screen or something? Oh, so position X, position Y, and color. Oh, how do you make it move? Yo, can you make it move, man? I want to see some physics. Do you know the Muffin Man? Oh, do I know what? Oh no. You don't have to declare these things? Oh, you already declared them. Oh, draw a circle and then it's gonna move it. Oh, I see what you're doing here. I see what you're doing here. Okay. Now, why is there a red thing around? There's you gotta add your colon, brother. So now the circle's about to move. So let me leave this. Oh no! Oh no, we have to make boundaries so it bounces off. Oh, is there like a frame counter? Can we get a frame counter in the corner? That would go hard. Yo, this is so cool. It just flew off the screen. Wait, yo, look at this. It says OpenGL state initialized. Is this a wrapper around OpenGL? Yo, bro, don't tell me. Don't tell me. So, vector direction. Yo, what is vector 2? Did you just make that up? Vector 2. Oh my god. So if we learn Raylib, then like we could easily like, I don't know about easily, but we could low-key learn OpenGL. So what is a vector 2? Is this a brand new data type from like, oh, it's type def vector 2. Wait. I don't know. What is a vector 2? A vector with 2 items in it? Is that what that means? And then direction dot x and direction dot y, or vector dot x. All right, I'll do some research on this vector 2 thing. I don't know. You guys had new, like, different data types. All right. I don't know how long it would take to make snake. I want to make like Pong or something easy. But I do have to hop off though, bro. I appreciate you pulling up to the stream. I had been helping out. You can code some stuff in here. I'm gonna turn off the stream, but I'll leave the window open so you can like make something if you want. I'll run it when I like hop out the shower.